Get acquainted with the 2018 Lincoln MKX. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this spacious and versatile Lincoln MKX, the family-oriented luxury vehicle that offers a quiet, comfortable ride, impressive safety features, and a host of desirable standard amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, heated front seat, alarm. Don't miss the chance to get behind the wheel of this well-equipped MKX. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.